Okay, this is gonna be the final video of confirm that I actually made it work. Cause look, if I had my probe lit with the positive right here, as you can see, cause I can't use one hand while doing this, so I just decided to clamp it with an alligator clip. So I have my multimeter on direct current. Alright, here's the voltage. I have it in auto right now. So if I was to connect the probe with the black, yeah, you can see, hold up, the tape is blocking the way. Because if you watch the previous video, the voltage was like 2.7. Hold on, let me show you let me change the range so you know what I mean. Cause this is, I didn't have it on audio. I didn't have it on auto. So there we go. 3.36. I'm using my fastest charging power supply, so